Today we're going to talk about how you too can keep healthy during these long winter months. So stick around for some helpful tips on how you too can help support your body in a natural way this winter. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, so what can we do when it's cold and dry and windy outside? You can help support your skin in a natural way with lavender essential oil is excellent for the skin. And I love Rose Touch essential oil. It is rose, distilled rose with coconut oil in a roller bottle. I love this. I use it morning and night on my skin, and it helps support it in a natural way. It helps with the smoothness of your skin and also any dry patches. So not only can you use it on your dry or chapped knuckles, you can use it on your knees and your elbows as well. But I love using it morning and night on all my face and my neckline. Lavender and Rose Touch. These are excellent. If you're ready to get started with essential oils, you can go to roxysaran.com and join the oily family there. You don't want to miss out. Or if you just want to purchase lavender and Rose Touch, you can do that right there at roxysaran.com as well. All right, so what about environmental threats? Yep, you might feel that cold coming on or the itchy throat and cough might be coming on. So what can you do? Well, Onguard is a blend of essential oils. It's a protective blend. It helps to naturally enhance your own immune system and help with those environmental threats. So Onguard essential oil is excellent in the diffuser. You can put it on topically. Maybe a drop in some honey will help soothe your throat. We love Onguard essential oil in our home and use it daily during the cold and winter months. Breathe essential oil. It helps you breathe. It's another one that works really well in your diffuser. I love Onguard and Breathe in my diffuser for that extra kick. Helps open up your airway so that you can breathe. So that is an excellent one as well. Peppermint essential oil is great for all things respiratory as well, and so that is an easy one to use. And also eucalyptus oil. Now these oils, if maybe you're thinking, wow, are these safe for children? We'll link that above for you where we did a deep dive on how doTERRA essential oils, because of their purity and potency, you can rest assured that doTERRA essential oils are safe for pregnancy, for babies, and for the elderly. But if you choose not to use peppermint or eucalyptus on your small children, that's okay. An alternative that you can use is spearmint essential oil and tea tree. Those two are a little bit more milder. Of course, we always like to use a carrier oil like a coconut oil or an olive oil with our children for sensitive skin, and so you can do that. So for children boosting their immune system, you can do tea tree and a little bit of spearmint on the bottoms of their feet, on their chest, and also in a diffuser. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com where you too can get started with essential oils today. And if you just want to shop for one or two things, you can do that right there at roxysaran.com. You can grab your tea tree or your spearmint right there at roxysaran.com. All right, so what about digestive support? This is another thing that sometimes during the winter we can get out of whack with our regularity in our digestive tract. I love Digest Zen essential oil. It is a blend of oils that works very well for all things digestive. And it also has cardamom in it. It is a new proprietary formulated blend from doTERRA. It's one of my favorites. So for all things digestive, you can rub it on your belly and on the small of your back. With the small children and the elderly, you'll want to use a coconut oil with it or an olive oil. I love just putting a drop on my hand and licking it, and it helps support my natural digestive tract that way. A hack for you with Digestive is it can help with mucus or impacted sinuses. So just a drop of Digestive right there on the bridge of your nose will help open things up for you. That is my hack for you today. Now, cardamom essential oil is also an excellent one for digestive support. It's one of my children's favorite. Again, you can just put a drop on your hand and lick it, and it helps support a natural, healthy digestive tract. All right, so last but not least, let's talk about our emotions. What happens when it's cold and dreary outside? We're not getting the sunshine or the movement that we would normally have in the summer months. So sometimes we can get discouraged, right? So Cheer essential oil is an uplifting blend. It helps bolster your mood. And so if you're feeling unhappy or discouraged, you're gonna love cheer oil. You can put it on topically and breathe it in, or put a few drops in your diffuser and just see how the mood shifts in your home. It is a combination of citrus oils and spice oils and help boost you up and give you that cheerful disposition. Another blend that I love to recommend is Motivate. It is an encouraging blend, and it also has calming and uplifting benefits. It combines citrus and mint oils together for that natural energy boost. It helps you have a little bit more courage and maybe face pessimism and doubts, help change and create those feelings of self-assurance. Who doesn't need that? So Cheer and Motivate are excellent ones to stick in your diffuser or just on topically during these cold and winter months. Please let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. If you're ready to get started with essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to welcome you to the Oily family there. Or if you just want to shop for one or two things, you can do that right there at roxysaran.com. Be sure to check out our next video. We'll talk about, if you want to look younger, what can you do as a special anti-aging eye remedy. We'll see you in the next video.